in the crossfire, and the American man that would be shot and left with injuries for life. It was the
dog, me say man, the American, he dog get shot and paralyzed, you know. Me say man can't walk. Allegedly, you see it. The man get shot and he dog crippled for life. Life-changing injury, I think I'm bad, man. I had this one innocent bystander, you know. So waste man, about 15 waste man. I go for one man. The man take away a gun from one of them. Somehow you get shot. Yo, me da vex if I whatever me, you know, me I walk good in my go and party. You see it? And man me just end up calic a shot and I'm crippled for life. The fuck? No, cuz. No. That's why I make up my mind, say, as a man, let me do my thing. Me personally, I know nobody know me look like. Me not gonna in a public. Me not doing IRL streams. Fuck all of that. I'm okay. As a matter of fact, I'm a homebody. I like the confines of me yard. Me yard. Me not going nowhere else, brejin. Not going anywhere else.
Monday of April 12, 2026, the day of one of the most anticipated